Hey guys, Jivan here. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing to you the 2-block haircut measurements for your top hair, side hair, and back hair. Enjoy. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So some of you have messaged me on how long you should grow your hair to get the 2-block haircut. So today I'm just gonna straight up tell you. So before I start, I just want to quickly show you a 360 view of my hair. I do this for most of my videos, so yeah. Okay, so my front over here, my side view, back view, right view, and top view. So a key point to remember when you want to grow a 2-block haircut is to keep your top hair as long as possible while keeping the sides and lower back hair short. Anyway, so over here on my hair fringe, you can see that it's about 11 to 12 centimeters. Let's spread out the side. I'm just gonna measure it real quick. It's about 9 to 10 centimeters. On the right side, same thing as well, 9 to 10 cm. Now this is just an estimate because I can't really measure the hair accurately. So yeah, this is just meant for a rough guide on how long you should grow it out. Next, we have the back hair. There you have it, 9 centimeters. So when you grow a 2-block, it's all based on personal preference on how long you want it to be. Usually you grow your hair bangs around the eyebrow section. And I like to use this as a guideline for the entire 2-block haircut. So as you can see, just think of it as you're wearing a wig. As for your side hair, it's not really your side hair that's growing out, guys. So over here, this is all my top hair. My side hair is actually short, same as the other side. For Asians, when your hair just grows a little bit, it just sticks out everywhere. So that's why when you grow it long like this, gravity will help you pull it down. And also, a lot of people get confused on how long they should cut the back hair. I just want to quickly show you a detailed look. So as you can see, all the way to the middle of my scalp is short. Anything above that is long. And it's the long hair at the back over here that falls down to complete the entire 2-block look. Just imagine that you need to grow your hair long enough so it falls down. Same as the sides, grow it long enough so it falls down. Now when you try to grow out your hair, it might take a while for your hair to actually grow this long. For example, if you have really short top hair, it might take you weeks, so maybe like 6 to 8 weeks for your hair to actually grow this long. Your hair only grows an average of ½ an inch a month, and that is 1.27 centimeters. So based on that calculation, if your hair is this short, it would take you 7 to 8 months to grow your hair to this length. Earlier in the video, I measured my hair and it's roughly 9 to 12 centimeters. So take the example of 10 centimeters, 10 cm, that is 4 inches. That's how you know that it would take roughly 7 to 8 months to grow that long. However, if your hair is longer than this, it will take you a shorter amount of time. All in all, my advice is just to keep growing out your top hair while leaving the sides short. Now once you grow your hair to this long, it's easier for you to maintain. All you have to do is cut your side hair evenly. So over here, and the back. If you're cutting for yourself at home, I have many hair cutting tutorials you can check out. What you do is you basically use your hand and a comb and then use the scissors like so. And just cut evenly across the entire scalp. If you're going to the barber, just tell them what I told you. I want to leave my top hair long while cutting the sides. I also recommend you to show them a picture so they can see how it looks like. So mister, what kind of hairstyle do you want? I would like to keep my top hair long while shaving the sides. Thank you. The 2-block haircut is a hairstyle that everyone should try. So if you found this video informative, let me know down in the comments below and check back next time. So for my thumbnail, I'm just going to show you my side hair view so people can see what it looks like.